Meaning of hepatitis.
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 Hepatitis. Hepatitis is a medical condition characterized by inflammation of the liver, usually caused by a viral infection, but it can also be triggered by alcohol abuse or autoimmune diseases. The inflammation can lead to liver damage and failure if left untreated. Symptoms may include fatigue, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, nausea, and jaundice. Hepatitis can be diagnosed through blood tests and liver function tests. Treatment options depend on the cause of the hepatitis and may include antiviral medication, rest, and avoidance of alcohol and certain medications that can further damage the liver. Vaccines are available for some types of viral hepatitis.